Odoo 17 continues to refine its accounting module, making financial management more intuitive and efficient for businesses. This module aims to simplify complex accounting processes, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for bookkeeping, invoicing, reporting, and more. Here are some key features and improvements. Streamlined user interface. A centralized dashboard provides an overview of essential financial data, including receivables, payables, cash flow, and profit/loss statements. Intuitive menus and navigation make it easier to access various accounting functions and modules. Better invoicing. Create and send professional invoices seamlessly, with options for customization and automation of recurring invoices. Integration with payment gateways facilitates quicker payment processing, improving cash flow management. Bank synchronization. Automatic bank synchronization enables real-time reconciliation of transactions, minimizing manual data entry and errors. Effortlessly match bank statements with accounting records for accurate reconciliation. Reporting and analytics. Generate comprehensive financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, aiding in better decision-making. Tailor reports to specific business needs, allowing for deeper insights into financial performance. Multi-currency and multi-company support facilitates transactions and reporting in multiple currencies, ensuring accuracy in international dealings. Manage the accounting needs of multiple companies within a single interface, enhancing efficiency for conglomerates or businesses with subsidiaries. Automation and integration. Set up automated workflows for tasks like payment reminders, recurring entries, approvals, and reducing manual intervention. Seamless integration with other Odoo modules like sales, inventory, and purchase streamlines overall business operations. For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.O2btechnologies.com or contact us info@O2btechnologies.com. O2b, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.